they knew about the disqualification, but still hindi po kagad nagkaroon na meeting with 26 pa nagkaroon ng emergency meeting with Secon.
Yun na nga, kasi kung December 14 pa yung resolution, di ba? That would, hindi ko alam, mabibilang ko ba kung 10 working days ba yun, pero at least may oras para mag-raise ng appeal or mag-question, no? Kung dinisqualify mo kami December 14 or 15, di ba? And syempre gusto ko rin makita saan na yung resolution na yun, kasi madaling magsabi na may resolution kami nung December 14, pero nasaan na yun? Sino nakapirma nun? Kasi para mag-pass ka ng resolution, may nakapirma dyan eh. Di ba? Sino yung members na pumoto, sino yung... Di ba? So,
ang sabi ko ng chairman ay 26 pa niya nalaman.
25 siya pinaalam, na hindi pa niya alam yung kaso, tinawagan lang siya to attend the meeting, and then 26 lang niya nalaman yung buong issue. No? Parang medyo may iniipit dun sa pagtawag ng meeting na yun. Kasi wala kaming time talaga para mag-react eh. Kasi 26 is Saturday. Walang opisina. Sunday, walang opisina. Yun na yung awards night. Diba? And happy, ang malaking bagay dyan, na hindi naman namin ini-expect. Kasi hindi namin alam na may jury na attend. And I'm happy that Attorney Musni voiced out voluntarily, no? From where she was sitting, kung ano talaga yung nangyari sa loob ng, and it was echoed by two other jury members that were sitting beside her. No? So maganda yon kasi at least we were able to see what really transpired inside the jury chamber. And it was only through two people, Marichu Maceda and Dominic Du. And it didn't come from us. Hindi namin sinabi yung mga pangalan na yun. It's mismo the jury members who named them as the ones who said not to vote for Honor Day Father because disqualified na sa Best Picture.